How many people know how Michelangelo is related to this course, Humanities 210? Before I started taking this course, I had no idea how Michelangelo was related to this course at all. In this speech, I will discuss how Michelangelo is related to this course, Humanities 210, and also, in the end of this speech, I will be critiquing a couple pieces of his artwork. To start off, Michelangelo is related to this course in many ways, but I will be discussing two specific ways. The first way he is related to this course is because he is a well-known and well-respected artist who also has some of his work presented to us in our textbook. Creation of Adam is one of his artworks that is presented to us in our textbook, and this is also on display at the Sistine Chapel. Since this is on display at the Sistine Chapel, Michelangelo had to perfect his fresco skills. Later in our textbook, Michelangelo's David is featured, which is a sculpture. Another one of his sculptures that is listed in our textbook is entitled Pieta, which is one of his last unfinished pieces. Many people who have seen Michelangelo's work up close admire his ability. The second way Michelangelo relates to this course is because he is recognized and his artwork is displayed in several places. When I say Michelangelo is related to this course by being recognized, I am referring to the standards for identifying an artwork, which are as followed. 1. The object or event is made by an artist. 2. The object or event is intended to be a work of art by the maker. And 3. Recognized experts agree that this is a work of art. Michelangelo's artwork meets all of these standards, therefore relating him to this course. Since he is a recognized artist, his work is on display in several places. He has artwork on display in Florence and in Rome. His statue David is on display in Florence. Michelangelo has also completed artwork on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel, which is located in Rome. One of Michelangelo's unfinished statues, entitled Pieta, is located in Vatican City. There are also replicas of Michelangelo's masterpieces all over the world today, and in fact, the statue entitled David is one of the most replicated pieces. In the end, Michelangelo was one of the greatest artists from the Renaissance art period. Now that I have shared my knowledge about Michelangelo, I will critique a couple of his artworks and share some research that I found. The first piece that I will critique is the creation of Adam. This piece I find to be very interesting with a lot of bold colors. This is a painting that is also very detailed with both large and small details. The painting is in a way very busy with a lot of things going on. The second artwork I will critique will be the sculpture entitled David. The sculpture is very realistic. It entails very small and intricate details. This sculpture was placed in Florence as a warning for powers that might attack the city-state, which I found a very clever way to keep people out. I researched two of his artworks, and they are entitled The Dream and the Sculpture David. The first one I will share is A Dream. This was originally made for Michelangelo's lover, and I find it to be a very soft piece of work. The dream has a lot going on, but could easily catch someone's eye. Now I will share what I found on the sculpture David. In this art piece, Michelangelo has human anatomy as a big thing. Even though he had a passion for human anatomy, there were imperfections on this sculpture. The right hand is bigger than the left hand, and also the right eye is in the primary position while the left eye is looking to the left. In closing, Michelangelo is a well-known and well-respected artist. He has completed many works of art, some in which are lost. Michelangelo relates to Humanities 210 because he is recognized as an artist and is respected in the field of art. His work also plays a vital role in our textbook by teaching us about fresco. I hope this speech has helped you understand how Michelangelo relates to Humanities 210.